First open up the settings, scroll down, click privacy and security settings, click Windows security, click apps and browsing control. This page will appear. In this you need to click exploit protection settings package, and you have seen the first option CFG control flow guard is that it should be in turn on. Use default on is the important settings. So if it's off means you need to turn on it. Once turn on, after you need to come back and you need to search for run and type the following text tpm.msc. Here we need to go and check the status. The status should be ready for use. If it's not ready for use means you need to boot it. Make sure the status should be in ready for use. And next you need to search for ms info 32. Click OK. The system information page will appear. In this you need to check for BIOS mode, UEFI, and secure boot state is on. So this is the important settings, two settings. It should be in the same. If it's not means you need to boot it. So go to settings, click Windows Update and make the Windows up to date. Sometimes the pending and installation and download pending items will cause us the issues. So you need to make the Windows up to date. Once complete, after close it and restart your PC. Thank you.